Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is that time. I have 4 more grab boxes to unbox for you that I got in my local Michael's. It is November of 2020, so I'm gonna unbox 2 at a time for you. Let's jump right in. Okay, moving right along, here is another box. There we go. Looks like a lot of beautiful faux foliage. Oh, I take that back. This is a wreath. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Is there a price on here? There is no, oh wait, here's the price tag. These are one of their pre-made wreaths. They're always super pricey, $59.99. This is very pretty. Like it. Oh, look at this sunflower. It's like a sign, you hang it, it's $12.99. Another wall decor, an A, $16.99. A package of some leaves, retails for $3.99. Let's see. These cute, these are great because you can use these for a variety of things. $16.99 they retail, and I have 1, 2, 3. Super cute. I love these. This is a great store for me. Let's see. Oh, there's something wrapped in here. Oh, that's nice. They wrapped it up. Oh, another A. Nobody in my family is A, but that's okay. $14.99. This is heavy. Ceramic. A cute Halloween t-shirt, it looks like. Size large. It's retails for $12.99, and it says, I don't know if you can see this, if the broom fits, fly it. It's cute. Looks like I have another package of leaves, $3.99. This is cute. Oh, the wreath. Wow, this is like an easel. And it retails for $19.99, and it says Antiques Open. It's very cute. Very, very cute. Oh, this is so adorable. Oh, it's like, oh, I forgot what this is called right now. Canvas, maybe? $15.99 this retails for, and this is like your subway art with all the different words pertaining to fall. This is adorable and would go great in my house for decor. And they gave me 2 of them. How cute. $15.99 each. Looks like window clings. Sunflower and acorns. These retail for $1.99. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 they put in here. Amazing. This is, oh, Paint Me. This isn't ceramic. This is like my plastic, but this is definitely like cute for fall. You could even stick a pumpkin in here. And it retails for $8.99. Some twine. I like it. It's got gold. Very pretty. $3.99. Then it looks like a very like farmhouse country decor. Oh, there's 2 different ones. It says Home Farm Poultry. $24.99. Wall decor. Very cute. And 100-pound net weight Phillips quality hog ration. That wreath really made a mess. Super cute. And it also retails for $24.99. These would be great in a kitchen or something, so I might just put them up. Just thought I would stick this video in here to let you know I did put them in my kitchen. Way up high, and they look fantastic. So this was this box. Let's add it up and see how much this one was worth. This box had 22 items for a retail value of $301.78, and I paid $5 for everything. Such a great deal. Let's move on. Okay, here is another box. I see right off the bat. Let me send her this Dia de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead. Beautiful with the sugar skulls. Got this in another box. Retails for $16.99. Ooh, so this is really... This is sunflower stuff. Okay, let's pull this stuff out first. Okay, here's Halloween garland, $14.99. And it looks like a little squishy, one of those squishy toys. It says it lights up. doesn't appear to be working. That's okay. $4.99. This gorgeous sunflower tin retails for $19.99. My daughter is very into sunflowers at the moment. She might like this. A toy snake, and $5.99. We live in Texas where there are snakes abound, so maybe that would play a good joke. Oh, look, looks like a ceramic. Ceramic, you could paint this. It's supposed to light up, but it doesn't look like it's working. Oh, wait. Oh my goodness, how cute. Oh, it changes colors and everything. Super cute. And this retails for $14.99. So cute. A nice fall pumpkin tin. Gorgeous. Love the colors. This retails for $19.99. A beautiful little ceramic pumpkin with gold polka dots. How beautiful. Oh, has a Z on it. That's okay. I would just turn it around like this because we don't have any Z's in our name. $5.99. A shirt. I got another one of these shirts. This one also says, oh, if the broom fits, fly it. Retails $12.99, and it is an adult medium. Let's see what this is. Oh, so cute. This is a little costume. This is a deer costume. Retails for $14.99. They really stuffed some, let's see, faux leaves, $3.99. 3 packages of different styles. Very beautiful, cream colored. A faux bird. $12.99, tabletop decor. Okay, very pretty. Some more faux fruit. This one is super heavy and it doesn't have a price tag on it. And this one's light, $2.99. And maybe this fell off of something, but faux fruit. And it looks like some beautiful sunflower tins. Let's see if they all have the sunflower. Uh-oh, they're stuck. Oh no, they're different. Okay, so we have pick your own sunflower farm. Maybe they're giving them away because, oh my goodness, these are stuck. Unless it's I don't think it's supposed to be like this. All right, well, if I can get them apart, I'll have to see. They retail for $9.99. Oh, here we go. So these two are sunflowers. Okay. There we go. I figured out how to do it. Another sunflower, $9.99. Welcome to our patch. Adorable. $9.99. And welcome to our patch. Adorable. For potted plants, multiple things. And this, love is patient, love is kind. From the Corinthians. A beautiful storage box. Beautiful. And it retails for, I don't know if you can see it, $19.99. All right. This was a really great box. It's a lot of decor that you can almost use year round, some of them. You know, these you can just turn around and use. I'm going to add up this box and see what kind of a savings this was. And this box had 26 items with a value of $225.78. To recap, these 2 boxes had 48 items with $527.56 worth of beautiful fall and farmhouse decor. I paid only $10 for over $500. Thank you so much, Michaels. If you love saving money just like me, you will love my printable website, Print-A-Party.com with the dashes. These videos are always sponsored by my company, where you can get printables for all sorts of occasions, birthdays, weddings, wine, gift, decor, planning, organization, teacher, and much more. Check it out, Print-A-Party.com with the dashes. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.